Hi, welcome to week 3. Hopefully you're starting to get in the swing of things. This week we're going to move on to Chapter 2. Now Chapter 2, I think you may have gotten a little exposure to it in C++. The topic is recursion. And in recursion, it's where a program calls itself repeatedly. Of course, there are some rules to say, okay, making sure that the problem set reduces, making sure there's a way to get out of this loop. So there are some rules you got to be careful of, but it's basically a program calling itself. And so we're going to talk about what recursion is, how it's defined. Hopefully it's just a reminder. We'll give you a couple of different ways you can solve recursive problems, whether iterative or recursive. There's a couple of different ways, and you got, as a developer, sometimes you get to choose, and some ways are better than others. Then we'll look at how do you design a recursive algorithm. And then there's definitely, we'll go through a few examples as to the different types and how to, the greatest common denominator, how to get the Fibonacci number, maybe changing prefix to postfix conversion of the way algorithms or mathematical equations are deciphered. And then one of the classics is Tower of Hanoi. I'm not sure I'm going to talk about all of those, but basically I'm going to give you different techniques in how to solve recursive problems that definitely would be better or quicker or easier to understand written by calling itself. But of course there are some rules and regulations to make sure you don't stick yourself in an infinite loop. So I've got a PowerPoint slide, the quiz link to key terms, the odd-numbered solutions, which should help you looking, because I only assigned the even, so looking at the odd-numbered solutions should help you. As far as assignments, I've done a test. We got HP5 is a new tool in Moodle that allows me to put questions inside of videos. So I tried it with Chapter 2's lecture. So go ahead, try it, let me know how it works, see if I do it again. Your exercise, I've got broke the exercise and problems, I got split apart. Exercises 2, 4, and 6. And problems, you're going to do 8 and 12. Now, problems 8 and 12, you're writing a pseudocode algorithm. Make sure you follow the structure or standards that was identified in Chapter 1. So if you forgot that, go back, check it out, and submit it, all your pseudocode from here on out, following that kind of methodology. You got the reflection journal, which, like you know, is used for attendance. So make sure you fill out that. And you've got a Chapter 2 exam. So hopefully that isn't too difficult of a week. And if you have any questions, problems, let me know. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.